The alpha is blowing up, right now, so.
Yeah, I mean, you cashed out, right? Let's talk about it.
Yeah, I mean, for those that don't know, we recently did sell our assisted living facility.
Say that again?
Like we did sell.
Oh, okay.
our assisted living facility. We did that back. Actually, that was Thursday of last week.
How do you feel?
It was a week. This is the 1 week anniversary from the sale.
I'm the interviewer now. I'm taking over. The monkey's off the back.
The hard part about it was, honestly, is I wrestled with that decision for 2 years. So like even pre-COVID, I was telling Dre this the other day. I was just, the hardest part about it is that like my team there,
Okay.
I had like my administrator Samantha. She'd been with me for 6.5 years.
Wow.
And she was like doing an amazing job. Like it's to the point where it's like, she's doing so good that like it doesn't really require a lot from me,
Yeah.
But at the same time, with what we're doing for our adult daycare center, and then we also have a private duty home care agency, and so it's like, we have 3 of these different services going on, and I just there's like no way I could do all 3 of them well, and it's like if we're going to continue to expand, I mean, my dream is to open up 100 adult daycare centers through a franchise concept, but to do that, it's going to take so much energy.
Why 100 daycares? Not 100 ALFs?
I feel like right now, like you said, the market's so oversaturated. I mean, like in my personal opinion, I feel like there's always going to be room for a really well run assisted living facility, because families will pay for really good care. But the problem is there's not going to be room for every assisted living facility. And I think as we continue to see these like, inflationary costs, with wage increases in Florida, with, even insurance rates after COVID, like, I mean, everything's just going up like in astronomical amounts, right? Like it's like, at what point can people no longer afford assisted living, and at what point do they have to look for options that are like more affordable, options that, maybe that allow them to stay at home a little longer so they can, they're not immediately like incurring this like, assisted living expense that could be $5, $6, $7 a month, depending on where you're at, So it's like, to me, home care is in the same crossroads. Home care is another, senior care option that is going to face economic struggle, because as prices go up for, wages, it's like, when we hit $15 an hour, and, like, are we going to be paying our caregivers minimum wage, or are they going to really be making like 17, 18, 19, and if so, the consumers be paying $40 an hour, $45 an hour for home care,
Gotcha.
So adult daycare is like just going to be a much less expensive option, but.
Man, this guy make a good politician. This guy,
dude, I hate politics.
We just did a whole circle there. I'm trying to get to the dirt.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.